Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 2022 Model X by Tesla with a full wrap and XPEL Stealth paint protection film, also known as a matte or a satin film, but XPEL's name on this is Stealth. And let's take a walk around this guy and check out the red Stealth. Red Stealth is not a very common one to do, but you can take a look for yourself should you want to do that. And I'll show you how we get it all perfectly in to make everything look fantastic. You know, like how we get the T comes off, goes back on. It's supposed to be black, but the paint won't stick to that chrome. So we're gonna get a different one for it and change that out later. But let's take a look around this guy and look at starting with the frunk, looking at all the perfection there. I mean, just a nice, good looking hood. Everything's fantastic and smooth and looking great. The lines all wrapped in, everything perfectly done. Coming around all these areas, everything wrapped in. We don't want to have any lines anywhere, so all the hood's all wrapped in, the bumper all the way down, getting underneath these shrouds, getting in here. Same on this side, coming around these A-pillars. 100% all the way to here, getting this mirror all the way around over here, all the way into the front. All this under these moldings, wrapped inside these door handles. Same up top, getting all that done. Coming around over here, wrapping all these doors, the Falcon doors, the gull wing doors, whatever you want to call them. Getting all that done, wrapping all this in. So everything's looking fantastic. Everything looks great. Wrapping all the way around these lights. Wrapping in all these edges, these corners. The wing, the spoiler in the back, wrapping that entire edge all the way around. Wrapping this whole back panel all the way around, all the way into these lights. Everything's just perfect. I mean, I couldn't be more happy with this install. Everything just looks fantastic. Stealth film on a red Tesla X, looking fantastic. Anybody want to do a red, blue, or gray, white, black? Let us know. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809 if you'd like to get your vehicle done. Whether it's gloss or stealth, we can certainly help you with that. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. Take care.